Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and today we are learning the machine learning. Here in the diagram we can see that machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. So first of all we are understanding artificial intelligence. In the short it is called AI. Whenever a machine behave like a human, that is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technique by which we enable a machine to mimic like human behavior. Means whenever a human is doing something, we are putting that thing into a machine. This is called artificial intelligence. The examples of artificial intelligence are expert system, genetic algorithm, search algorithm, and knowledge representation. Here the expert system behave like human and solve the specific tasks. The genetic algorithms are inspired by the nature, just like from the ants, from the bees, they are inspired and they take the action. Search algorithms are used for searching. The knowledge representation is used for understanding and storing the information. These are the examples of artificial intelligence in which machine is behaving like human. Inside the artificial intelligence, we are having a subpart which is called machine learning. So now we are understanding the machine learning. In the short, it is called ML. The first thing is machine learning is subset of artificial intelligence. In the machine learning, machine learns and make prediction based upon their experience. Here the experience comes from data. To understand the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning, let us take one example. Let us suppose that we have designed a robot and from the robot we are asking his name. We ask the name 5 times and every time the answer is same, that my name is Ankit. So this is artificial intelligence because robot is feeded the name which is Ankit and robot is learning nothing. Now just take the same robot and work with the machine learning. First time you ask the name from robot Ankit, second time Ankit, third time robot will understand that we are asking the same question again and again. That means we are making him fool. So robot will not give the same answer. The robot will ask why you are asking the same question again and again. This is the machine learning because robot is understanding with the pattern that we are asking same question again and again. So in machine learning, machine learns itself and make the prediction based upon their data experience. So in machine learning, machine take decision based on data. In the machine learning, data is the experience. With the different data inputs, machine understand and take the decision. In the machine learning, machine improve itself with experience. In the machine learning, machine learns as well as improve itself so that it can take the decision accurately. The example of machine learning are Tesla self-driving car, Sophia robot, Apple Siri, and many more. In self-driving car, sensors are there which sense the real-time location and the movement of car, and based upon that they take the decision and move their car. Sophia robot is the machine learning trained robot by which if you ask some question, then with the repeated question they will not give you the same answer because they recognize the patterns and they behave and answer just same like the human. Apple Siri is the voice assistant which performs some action based upon the voice command. Now we are learning the types of machine learning. There are 3 types of machine learning. The first type is supervised learning. The second type is unsupervised learning. And third one is reinforcement learning. So that's all for today. Thank you.